Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So one of the important updates related to the TCS tag test and also for a 2025 rehiring important updates has been out. So finally next phase result has been out and interview result also been out, and there are mass selections. You can see also there are lots of candidates participating in our mock interview and almost 95 to 98% students have been selected. Means almost सभी का selections हुआ and this is the main reason that every students are getting selected. So congrats to all those students who have been selected for this. Must comment here whether you got the offer or not. Okay, so as I've already mentioned that if you got the document verification mail, then you will sure shot got the offer, and now students are also getting the offer letter. So currently from the Kolkata region, Chennai region and Mumbai region and all other candidates are getting the offer letter, and they are getting the VC mail too. Okay, besides that's also TCS tag coding test, that is for upgradation, also going on, and these type of mail students are getting, okay, related to the document. So must comment here whether you got or not, and if you didn't get, then be positive. I think that if your interview band just average to good, then you will sure shot get the basically selection mail. Okay, so after getting this offer letter, there are some important things, or after getting the BGC and these all mail, there are the important things that you should consider, that is related to document. Okay, so you should have all those important documents with you, and many of the candidates was asking that I am in 7th sem or I am in 6th sem and I haven't get the result yet, then how will or what will I do there? So you have to just means wait and confirm from the TCS team. But yeah, if you have some online certificate, then you have to attest with your college. Okay, so there should be college signatures and all things, and simply you have to attest that, then only it will be acceptable. Okay, or you can also submit the bona fide documents for this, otherwise they will not consider you. Okay, and related to the joining process and offer and further training and ILP, I will make a dedicated video, so must comment here that whether you want that video or not, and hope that you will basically join soon. Okay, now coming to important points related to the NQT 2026. So as you know that registration has been going on, and now the problem has also been sorted out. So must check here or check from the official link. You will now able to register and it is showing the details. Okay, so we have also launched the coding series, so if you haven't gone through that, must go through it, especially who are preparing for the NQT 2026. And again saying friend, this is one of the important hiring, so take it seriously. And I have already providing lots of important material in my WhatsApp Telegram group, so you can go through that. That will be really helpful for you. So if you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. And again, those who got the offer must comment your reason about your role which you got and date of interview, because other student will get idea that when you got these things. Okay, so for getting such important job update, you can subscribe us and you can also join our WhatsApp or Telegram group. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.